Hello friends, welcome to my channel. You're talking to Ram. So I opened the cover. This is the first time I opened the cover. See all these screws. Look at the condition. It's pretty bad. It's very bad. So I don't need to go to service center to clean this stuff. Instead I can do it myself. So I used only two tools to open up this particular area. One is this 3-hand spanner. As you can see, it's 8, 10, 12 mm. So I was able to open all these screws with the help of this particular spanner. And you need to use this Allen key, which you will get it from the bike shops, from the local bike stores. I do not know the exact mm on this. Okay, too much of dirt. You can see, God, there's a thick paste. A lot of dirt. Okay guys, I just try to clean as much as I can with the brush. So this is some of the nasty dirt. It's hard to clean everything. Now this is a sound everyone is complaining about, right? Now let me try to lube this. I'm using a gear oil. Let's see if it makes any difference. Use the same tool, Allen key, to remove all these screws so I can remove this chain cover. Getting difficult, but still I'm happy. Behind. Dirt falling down in the liquid form. And also try to clean this area as well if possible. There's enough gap, so yeah, not a problem. There's a lot of dirt here also, and maybe that is what the sound is coming from. Okay. I feel the sound is getting better and better. So 3 sections. Make sure This is what I follow. Put the proper oil this way and then slide it, go to next section, oil again, yeah, this way. Entire chain, any kind of dust, if it's there, it just falls down this way. So try to go in an area where you're not polluting the environment, so in a secure place. I think the noise has reduced. I'm going to rotate. Yeah. Pretty much reduced noise. Job completed. Look at the rotation. So tools used 8 mm spanner. So I happen to get this from one of the local market. One Allen key. Please do not throw old brush, gear oil, waste cloth, and in the end get your hand dirty. You cannot escape from this, but there's a great satisfaction. I think I saved 500 rupees by not going to TVS. They normally charge 500 just to clean everything, so which I don't want. Instead I thought I'll just do it myself. Give it a try. It's straightforward, nothing to worry. It's just simple. So this key, this particular section, you see, it opens with this Allen key. This screw, remove the screw, this comes out, and then using this spanner you open, using the 8 mm, open all these 4 screws, screw number 5 and screw number 6, and this cover comes up. Clean it up, and using this Allen key, same thing, you can open this one, these all screws, remove it, clean it, lube it, and behind this section make sure you clean this area also. Okay guys, thank you so much. Let me know in this comment section. Thanks.